Good day everyone. Today I'll be discussing our application maintenance and monitoring report using Shopee as our chosen application. Alam ko halos lahat tayo ay gumagamit ng Shopee. Minsan para sa essentials, minsan naman para sa budol items. Pero behind that simple app na ginagamit natin araw-araw, sobrang daming system process ang nangyayari to keep it working smoothly. So next naman is the overview. Shopee is one of the biggest online shopping platforms in Southeast Asia. As developers, the main goal is to make sure that the app stays secure, reliable, and fast kahit milyon-milyong tao ang sabay-sabay na bumibili o nagbebenta. Imagine mo na lang is tuwing 11.11 or 12.12 sale, libo-libong orders per second ang pumapasok. Meron pa dyan is yung mga flash deals na may timer, live sellings, vouchers, and payment verification. Kung walang proper maintenance or monitoring, madali lang mag-lag, mag-error, o worse is mag-crash yung buong system. So dito naman tayo sa advantages. First is data security. So Shopee really focuses on protecting users' data. For example is kapag naglalagin ka, may 2-factor authentication o 2FA, meaning after mo i-type password mo, may verification code na kailangan mong i-enter. So kahit makuha ng hacker yung password mo, hindi pa rin siya makakapasok without that code. So another example is kapag may suspicious login from another country, automatic na masisend si Shopee ng alert sa user. Parang someone tried to log in from another devices. That part of their fraud detection system. So next naman is massive data handling. Every day Shopee handles millions of data, product, images, other details, chat messages, and payments. Kaya ginagamit nila yung cloud servers and CDNs, content delivery networks. So for assistance naman is kapag nasa probinsya ka like Pampanga or Iloilo, mabilis pa rin ang mag-upload yung Shopee app kahit hindi super lakas ng signal dahil lang CDN automatically delivers content from the nearest server. Isa pa is gumagamit sila ng AI and machine learning. Kapag madalas kang nagsisearch ng Korean skincare, mapapansin mong puro related items na yung nire-recommend. Toners, moisturizer, face mask, that AI at work learning your buying behavior to make your experience more personalized. So next naman is disadvantages. First is data security risks. Vulnerable to phishing and scams, weak password may lead to breaches. So kahit gaano ka-secure, may risk pa rin. For example is may mga user na nabibiktima ng mga phishing links, yung mga fake Shopee text na link, this link to claim your price. Once you click, they steal your login details. So kahit may strong security measures si Shopee, kung careless ang user, pwede mong ma-compromise pa rin ang account. So next naman is massive data challenges. Slow loading during big sales, expensive infrastructure. So yun nga is during big sales, sobrang daming sabay-sabay na nag-access sa system. Minsan umaabot ng millions of users within minutes, kaya minsan may mga nagrereklamo na bakit tayo mag-checkout o bakit naglalag. So example is noong 11.11 sale, may mga users na hindi makapag-checkout ng vouchers kasi overloaded ang system. That's part of the challenges of handling massive data. Next naman is upgrade issues, glitches, and compatibility problems. So sometimes after updates, may mga bugs or glitches. For example is may version ng Shopee app na biglang nagkakaproblema sa notification sounds o sa chat system. Kaya kailangan nilang maglabas agad ng patch update. Another real scenario is users with older phones experience crashes or compatibility issues kasi may mga mas heavy na yung latest version ng app. So next naman is actions during system failures. So may apat tayong dito is yung first is automatic backup and recovery. Second is failover servers. Third is incident response team. And fourth is the user notifications. So, basahin natin sa automatic backup and recovery. Tulad ng kapag nagka-problem sa payment system, may real-time backup na nagsisave ng transactions data para walang mawawala kahit biglang mag-error. Second naman is fail over servers. So kapag bumagsak ang main servers, let's say yung Singapore servers, may backup sa Malaysia or Taiwan na agad naga-activate to keep the app running. Third naman is incident response team. Shopee has engineers on duty 24/7. For example, kapag biglang bumagal ang checkout process during sales, they immediately analyze log and reroute traffic within a minute. Fourth naman is user notifications. Kapag may maintenance, makikita mo yung notice sa app like Shopee will undergo maintenance for example is 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. This prevents panic among users. So next is the conclusion. Shopee's success relies on strong data security, efficient data handling, and regular system upgrades. Backup system, monitoring teams, and security features ensures a stable and trusted shopping experience. So Shopee stays successful because of three things: strong data security, efficiency data handling, and continuous system upgrade. Kahit may mga challenges like phishing, heavy traffic, or glitch after updates, dahil sa proactive maintenance, monitoring, and backup system, Shopee still managed to give a stable and safe shopping experience. So, in short, Shopee is a perfect example how good application maintenance and monitoring keep an app running smoothly even during pressures situation like big sale, flash deals, or sudden traffic spikes. So that ends our application maintenance and monitoring report for Shopee. Shopee show us the importance of continuous application maintenance and monitoring para mapanatiling maayos, mabilis at ligtas ang online platform kahit gaano karami ang gumagamit. So that ends our application maintenance and monitoring report for Shopee. Thank you, and I hope you learned how real-time system maintenance help keep an app reliable and trustworthy.